small town in the west, Sham, it's renowned for a culture of people who are very inventive when it comes to making money where crowds gather. And they came up with a lot of good ideas, and we wrote this as a tribute to them in their own language. It's called Sound Sham. But not to worry, always the one for the nuns and brings you. Shake the hand and shook the hand of the holy woman from the east, and I watch the chief come back again. Lively sound, Sham, sound as a bell, thunder, you wipe yourself. I said sound, Sham, sound as a bell, thunder, you wipe yourself. Choice and labor with me. I can stand the jerk on me.